Hello and welcome back. We take an example from differentiation. The question is obtain dy by dx where y is equal to x square plus 4 times 5x minus 1. Now here it is very much possible to multiply the two brackets. So before taking the derivative, we just open the brackets here and let's see what we obtain. Now we first multiply 5x minus 1 by x square. So x square times 5x, that gives us 5x cube. X square times minus 1, so that is minus x square. Now we multiply by 4 into 5x, so that's 20x, and 4 into minus 1, that gives us minus 4. And now we could easily take the derivative of each of the terms. So we have dy by dx equal to 5 remains as it is, it's the coefficient. So 5 times derivative of x cube minus derivative of x square plus, now 20 is the coefficient, so 20 remains as it is, so 20 times derivative of x, and minus 4 is a constant, so we write minus derivative of 4. Now when we take the derivative of each of the functions, we get 5 times, now derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of x square is 2x plus 20 times derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of constant function is 0. So therefore the derivative value is 5 3s are, so that gives us 15x square minus 2x plus 20. So this is the value for dy by dx.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.